car. Walking fast.
On a train. I love trains.
Train.
3 more cars to go.
Fast as we can to get on the train. Xi'an to Beijing. Fruit jelly.
Oh, okay. Is that chewy like the last one? Taste like
It's like a fruit roll-up.
is it?
A little thicker. It's tart.
This one's beef jerky. Does it smell like beef? Crunchy.
It's a little sweet. Not like our beef jerky.
Do you like it?
It's
like.
Cookie, sort of, maybe. This is the pineapple thing.
Sort of like a cookie.
Maybe. It's chalky. Tastes like a pineapple piece of chalk.
Your face looks like
It's the texture.
Is it getting bigger in your mouth as you chew on it?
Sort of. It's
I think I might pass on that.
no, it's good. It's just a weird texture.
You don't look like it.
It's the texture. Almonds.
Almonds?
No funky texture. It tastes like
Just plain old almonds. Spicy almond. Which one did you take? The beef or the chicken nuggets? Have you tried anything else? Cabbage. Oh, okay. What else do you have there? No idea. Something else? Carrots. And then rice.